Okay, this is going to be the sorting activity with the I don't know it yet cards from your pile. And what I've done is I've taken a smattering of the I don't know it yet questions and then, or words, and then I've also added the suggested up to 9 words from lesson 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sort all of these into 3 piles. I have to think about being creative, which means I have to lay them all out and see what I've got. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo se llama usted? De la noche, de la tarde, de nada. Las ciencias, compañero de clase, curso, la materia, enseñar, contestar, profesor, profesora, la estudiante, la clase, and cuando. So I want to think creatively about how could I break these into 3 categories. Well, let's see. I've got 3 different questions here. So maybe that could be one category, a category of questions. And then I've got a whole bunch of verbs. No, I just have 2 verbs. So that might not help. Oh, but I've got a bunch of things related very specifically to school. So la clase, estudiante, curso, profesor, compañero de clase, ciencias. And enseñar means to teach, I think. Yes, to teach. So that goes into school as well. What does contestar mean? I can't remember. Contestar, to answer. Oh, well, you answer questions in school. So I could actually put all of these in the same pile. And that could be my, in school category, questions category. And then I've got 3 different phrases that start with de. De la noche, in the evening. De la tarde, in the afternoon. All these kind of match. And de nada, you're welcome. Well, this has nothing to do with these other 2 in English, but because in Spanish they all have de, that could be my 3rd category. So now I've sorted into 3 categories. And that's the way you do kind of a creative sort. You lay it all out, and then you pick what your categories are going to look like from there.